While regular printers are basically paper copying machines, 3D printers can be used to replicate pretty much anything, from plain tools to complex, to actual cars and vehicles. Knowing that 3D printer models are scattered throughout various price ranges and skill levels, we've taken the liberty of handpicking 5 of the best 3D printers that you can find in 2020, regardless of whether you're just a beginner or a professional who is earning their bread and butter via this technology. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We're opening up our review of the best 3D printers in 2020 with Creality's Ender 3. Simply put, this is a perfect option for enthusiasts and hobbyists who want to explore what 3D printing technology has to offer, as it is available at a budget price while packing a decent set of high-quality features. First and foremost, this is an open source 3D printer whose software is continuously being updated by various contributors. This basically means that even the most far-fetched ideas can come to life with this plain, simplistic 3D printer. What really caught our attention is the fact that Creality's Ender 3 featured the acclaimed resume printing setting. This is a feature that is often equipped on mid-priced and high-end models, and it's absolutely a breath of fresh air to see it in the budget price range. In simple words, resume printing does exactly what its function implies. It allows you to resume your last printing cycle that was disrupted for whatever reason, rather botching it altogether. The Creality's Ender 3 is supplied with ultra-accurate bearing wheels that are manufactured from top-shelf thermoplastic, which deliver minimal friction, superb stiffness, and impeccable dimensional stability to the prints. Safety should always come first, and Creality's Ender 3 addressed this matter properly. It packs a reliable power supply, as well as 2 individual fuses that protect the Ender 3 from blackouts and power surges. Creality's Ender 3 will be boxed to you partially assembled, so you'll need to add some bits and pieces before you can actually use it. Luckily, the package is equipped with all of the necessary tools, as well as a neat and simple instructional manual that will help you wrap up the assembly process, as well as give helpful tips on how to utilize its advantages more efficiently. The interface that Creality's Ender 3 features is decently sized and fairly visible. Due to the fact that the graphics are a bit poor, you'll need to stick close until the final instructions are sent off, in case you need to make on-the-fly adjustments. Durability-wise, it's made of highly durable acrylic material, and it is surprisingly light for its size. Now, the only thing that you probably won't like about Creality's Ender 3 is the fact that its firmware is unreachable unless Arduino tools are installed. People who skip reading the instructional manual are often not aware of this and end up with a huge pile of updates where a ton of pretty interesting new features are contained. Overall, the Ender 3 is a budget 3D printer that performs more akin to mid-priced models, such as FlashForge's Creator Pro, for example. It packs a huge punch for the buck, and we highly recommend it to everyone who wants to explore the world of 3D printing without paying too much for it. Next up, we have Anycubic's Photon S as our best resin 3D printer. Essentially, resin printers are better for fine, precision-based 3D prints, and this particular model is among the most valuable ones of this type. The first thing you should know about the Anycubic's Photon S resin 3D printer is that it's actually pretty cheap. An average resin printer costs a couple of $100s more, and it's more than safe to say that you'll be able to get pretty much the same quality of benefits and then some with the Photon. It's perfect for newbies as it comes fully assembled. Furthermore, the bundle also includes a variety of tools that you'll get to use during the printing process, which add just a bit of extra value for the money. The toolkit includes 15 pieces of funnel, a 500 ml resin bottle, 2 pieces of FEP film, a power adapter, a scrapper, 3 pairs of gloves and masks, and a 4GB USB memory stick. Anycubic's Photon S resin 3D printer rocks a dual rail design that completely negates the wobbling issues. The twin Z-axis rails provides stability to the construction that is far above satisfactory. You can rest assured that the hotbed will remain in place during the printing process. In short words, Photon S is equally precise while printing tiny objects as it is when dealing with huge ones. Instead of using DLS, diffuse light source, Anycubic's Photon S resin 3D printer utilizes matrix light source that offers more precise and accurate 3D printing. Another very cool feature of the Photon S is the easy-to-use LED array. It sports high-quality UV lighting and allows for high-resolution printing. All beginners, as well as a good chunk of people experienced and versed in 3D printing technology, will welcome the highly intuitive user interface. Apart from the fact that it is incredibly easy to use, it's also fairly big and very easy to read. As far as durability goes, Anycubic's Photon S resin 3D printer features a sturdy platform made of sanded aluminum. It also packs an integrated double air filtration system that reduces the overall odor divergence. There aren't many safety features on board, the only one is the shielded power supply cable. Overall, Photon S is a great investment. It's decently affordable, pretty small, incredibly accurate, stable, and it generally packs a huge punch for the buck in terms of value. Our top pick for the best beginner 3D printer category is ComGrow's Ender 3 Pro. Essentially, this is a professional 3D printer that is available at a dirt cheap price, and it comes supplied with a variety of intuitive high-performance features. The feature we've discussed already is present here too, the resume printing feature. It works exactly the same as the one supplied to Creality's Ender 3, which means that it will allow you to resume your last session should the power of the printer be compromised in any way, blackout, power outage, unplugging the cable by accident, and such. This 3D printer is as safe as it is reliable. It sports UL certified shielded power supply that protects the Ender 3 Pro from overheating and from internal electrified damage. We can't stress how important safety features are for 3D printers, as even the weakest and smallest of models can cause quite some havoc within mere minutes if left unchecked. There are a couple of reasons why we've declared ComGrow's Ender 3 Pro as one of the finest beginner 3D printers on the market. First and foremost, it's available at a very attractive price. Secondly, it comes semi-assembled. Even though you'll need to play handyman a bit, the brand has included all the necessary tools and instructions within the bundle. In terms of sturdiness and structural stability, the ComGrow's Ender 3 is made of exceptionally durable aluminum that is oddly enough pretty light. The entire contraption weighs no more than 19 pounds. What most people seem to dislike about this 3D printer is the fact that it's not sufficiently different from the original Ender 3 in the sense that it doesn't bring any new revolutionary features to the table. However, since it does provide a bit more intuitive and easy to use approach for 3D printing, it's better suited for beginners and people who don't have any experience with 3D printing technology. If you're through with your starter 3D printers and are looking for an upgrade, we recommend that you check out what FlashForge's Creator Pro has to offer. This is a remarkable mid-price printer equipped with highly advanced technologies and features, and although you might need some time to wrap your head around them, they provide the Creator Pro with unparalleled versatility and performance. First of all, the FlashForge Creator Pro is among the sturdiest 3D printers within its price range. It rocks a durable metal frame, which is remarkably stable and surprisingly light, giving the Creator Pro the quality of portability and compactness. Secondly, even the interior features are as robust as can be. This printer is supplied with aviation-grade aluminum plate that is 6.3 millimeters thick. Its surface is flat and resistant to warping from heavy heat. Furthermore, the guide rod provides surgical precision in terms of Z-axis movement while preventing the arm from any kind of deformation. This basically means that FlashForge Creator Pro is substantially more accurate than most middle-priced 3D printers. It is compatible with all conventional types of filament, including PLA, Pearl, Elastic, HIPS, TPU, ABS Pro, PLA color change, TPE, and such. Moreover, the FlashForge Creator Pro features an enclosed chamber that insulates and shields ABS prints from overheating and melting. We should note that the Creator Pro requires regular maintenance, especially with the interior parts. Since all of its features are so delicate, you'll need to perform routine checkups, as even the tiniest problem could erupt into a big, uncontainable fire, both literally and figuratively. All in all, FlashForge Creator Pro is definitely one of the best 3D printers you can find in 2020, and it's certainly among the most valuable mid-priced models. Dremel's Digilab 3D45 is the ultimate 3D printer, and it's still unequaled and unparalleled in terms of performance despite the fact that it became available on the shelves of both physical and online marketplaces a couple of years ago. It boasts 50 microns and offers impeccable 3D printing resolution options, which obviously means that you'll get to play around with more details without having to sacrifice printing accuracy. It's compatible with pretty much every OS out there, including Windows, macOS, Chromebooks, and iPads, and it features cloud-based software. The Dremel's Digilab 3D45 rocks a decently sized heated build plate that is compatible with PLA, PETG, ECO, ABS, and various nylon filaments. One of the greatest features of the Dremel's Digilab 3D45 is the automated leveling system and integrated automatic leveling sensor that detects any potential discrepancies, further improving the already great levels of versatility and accuracy this printer has to offer. Last but certainly not least, Dremel's Digilab 3D45 rocks a built-in high-definition camera that allows you to monitor your 3D prints even remotely. Its only flaw is an obvious one: it costs a small fortune, which means that it's pretty much reserved for experienced people and for professionals. At the end of the day, if you're looking for the best performing 3D printer, you should look no further than Dremel's Digilab 3D45. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.